If you're seeing a Gamma app verification error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest ways to fix it fast. This usually happens because the verification link expired, the wrong sign-in method is being used, or your browser cookies are interfering with the login process. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get back into Gamma without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's talk about the most common cause, the verification email link. Gamma verification tokens expire quickly, so if you waited too long before clicking the link, it may no longer work. The best fix is to go back to Gamma, log out completely, and request a brand new verification email. Do not keep clicking the old message if it has already expired. A fresh link gives you the best chance of signing in without errors. Next, make sure you are using the exact same login method you used when you first created your Gamma account. This is very important. If you originally signed up with Continue with Google, then you should keep using Google to sign in. Don't switch to the email and password fields if your account was created with Google Sign-In. When the login method does not match the original account profile, Gamma can show verification issues or sign-in conflicts. So before trying again, double-check how you registered the account and use that same method every time. Now, if the verification link still gives you trouble, the next fix is to open it in an incognito or private browsing window. This helps avoid browser cookie problems that can trap the verification process and cause the page to fail. To do this, copy the verify email link directly from your inbox, open an incognito window in your browser, and paste the link there instead of opening it in a normal tab. This gives Gamma a clean session with no old cookies, no cached login data, and no browser conflicts getting in the way. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the problem immediately. If you are still not getting through, go back one more time and make sure you are using the newest email from Gamma, not an older one. Remember, the token expires quickly, so the latest message is the one you want. Also, avoid opening the link on multiple devices at the same time, because that can sometimes create another verification mismatch. To keep things simple, use one browser, one fresh email, and the same login method you originally chose. That combination solves the issue for most people, so the full process is simple. Request a new verification link, match your original sign-in method, and open the link in incognito mode to bypass cookie problems. Follow those steps carefully, and you should be able to fix the Gamma app verification error and get back to work quickly. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.